Hey, I'm Josh Ockman in the Customer Service Department at Park Industries. And on this video, we're going to be troubleshooting spindles moving in and out on the velocity. So, to start out with here, it all depends on which spindle you're having the issue with. If you're having issues with all of them, that they're kind of erratically coming out, they're not timed correctly, that could be a miter comp valve issue, and we do have another video on our website of how to troubleshoot that miter comp. But this video will be specific to one spindle you're having issues with. So for instance, if we're having issues with spindle 2 through 7, or 2, 3, or 4, then we're going to start by taking a look at these MAC valves. When it's operating, you do want to make sure you have a green operating light that pressure is achieving there. If it's not, you do want to make sure that your regulator is turned up high enough that it can achieve the pressure that is set in the computer. If you want to just bypass for troubleshooting wise the PPC valve, then you can find the line. Say we're having trouble with spindle 3 here, find the line here. We can shut the air off to the machine and then plug this air line in and bypass the miter comp valve here, or the PPC valve, sorry, the PPC valve, and plug it in directly to our regulator where we have full air supply whenever we have air on the machine. And that would tell us if we have a PPC valve issue. If it's before the PPC valve and you are having an issue with your MAC valve bank, we can do a couple different things here. To start out with, I like to take a 1/16 Allen wrench here, and on the back side, on the black side here, you have to kind of find it, but there's a small 1/16 inch hole, and if we push that in, you can hear our spindle moving in and out. And if you can manually move it, but when you go to your PI setup screen and you cannot extend that spindle, then you will have an issue with your solenoid valve. And just to double confirm, you can shut your air off, remove the 2 Allen heads. There's 2 Allen heads, one on each side for each solenoid valve. And you can slowly just wiggle that will pop out, and you could swap it with another valve on there. And that would let you, if the issue moves to the other spindle, then that would determine that you do have a bad solenoid valve. You can also just take your lines off and make sure that the air is turning, coming in and out of here. So that's one quick ways of how to troubleshoot if you're having spindle extend issues. If it goes on from there, make sure you don't have any broken, pinched lines going to it. Also, you could have air leaks in the air cylinders that move the spindles in and out. So you want to double check that if everything checks out in your pneumatic box. If you do have any questions, give our customer service department a call and we'll gladly help you out. Thank you.